Hi, I'm Haley with Explore Rentals in Bozeman, Montana. First, familiarize yourself with a bear spray canister. The small rectangular tip is where the spray will come out, the orange tab is the safety, and underneath is the black trigger. The plastic loop is your handle. Printed on the can are the manufacturer's instructions. Please take your time and read this. Unless there is an immediate threat of an aggressive bear, always keep the safety on to prevent an accidental discharge. The maximum effective range is 30 feet and there are 4 seconds of spray in each can. Your holster will come with a loop that you can attach to a belt or a backpack. Always carry the bear spray where you can reach it. To use your bear spray, grasp the cylinder with your non-dominant hand and put your index finger in the plastic loop. And use your thumb to remove the orange safety. The black tab is now your trigger and ready to spray. Whenever recreating in bear country, make noise and do not hike alone. If you encounter an aggressive bear, remain calm. Do not run. If the bear charges, begin spraying when it is 40 feet or 12 meters away. The spray is a fog, not a laser beam. You're creating a barrier for the bear to run through. Aim low, the bear's head will be about 18 inches off the ground when charging. What not to do: do not run, do not panic, do not act in an aggressive manner towards the bear, do not wave the bear spray back and forth while spraying, and always report any negative bear interactions to the nearest ranger.